Hi everyone, Eden Shirley, founder and Managing Director of AutoGuru. Hey, I'm pretty excited today to talk about the evolution of AutoGuru and over the coming weeks, the transition from AutoGuru to FleetGuru AI as our outward-facing brand. So this is a really big change. AutoGuru has been around for over 11 years. You know, we're really proud of the platform that we created and it's a brilliant way, you know, for everyday people to log online, get quotes and book their car servicing. But in 2022, we launched FleetGuru and quickly attracted the largest fleet management companies in Australia and now New Zealand because they wanted our assistance to help streamline maintenance approvals and supplier payments. And it quickly grew to our core business. And the technology and the platform we're now building with the utilization of AI and data is really becoming a global innovation in the fleet maintenance authorization space. We're really excited about the product that we're building, about the partners that we're partnering with, and particularly the brand that we're about to create and launch. It's a fantastic energy in the house, and we're really excited to take you on the journey as we talk about how we're using AI and technology to innovate what is a very traditional industry such as fleet. So thank you for your support. Over the coming weeks, you're going to start to see us transition as a brand, our emails, our socials, and the way that we communicate. And you know, the core business is the same, the people are the same, the entity will remain, but our outward perception is about to completely be reinvigorated.